Hey everyone, Danny here. I just wanted to talk to y'all real briefly. Actually, we're going to go for 12 minutes about how easy it is to share your premium starter kit with other people, specifically in the DIY department. So many people think, I don't have time for DIYs. I don't have time to do things myself. I don't have time to make things. Well, I want to show you how easy it is right now to share 12 DIYs with your premium starter kit. So I'm going to go through every single oil. I'm going to do my best to tell you just a little bit about the oil and exactly what we're doing. So you ready? Let's get started. So first things first one we're going to do is a Thieves Wellness Tea. So what you need is a warm mug of water. You need some local honey. And then you also need your Thieves Vitality Oil and a spoon. So this is so easy. With your warm water, you're just going to pour a tablespoon of honey, teaspoon, however sweet you want it. It is your own. And then you want to take your Vitality Oil, put a drop in it, let that mix real good, and then you're going to put it in your warm water, give it a nice little stir, and boom, you have an easy DIY wellness tea. Super yummy. Who couldn't use a little bit of that right now? Next thing is our lemon vitality oil. So lemon is good for so many different things, but one thing I really love to use lemon for is a marinade. Sure, I love to drink it in my water. I love that it can detox me, but it is so good for a chicken marinade. So easy. So I like to use the coconut avocado oil and then of course your lemon vitality. So what I do is I just give myself a good little pour of my oil and then 2 to 3 drops of my lemon vitality. Give that a good stir. Pour it over some chicken, pour it over a pork loin, pour it over any kind of meat, really. It is so good, so easy. Like that was super quick, right? We're only 2.5 minutes down and we're 2 oils in, right? Okay, so the next thing is digest. Now it's really hard to do a fun, easy DIY with digest, but if you know anything about this oil, you know that it is amazing for your tummy. It's great for gut support. So what we're going to do is just make a capsule. So you have your veggie capsules. You can get these straight out of Young Living, or you can order them on Amazon, whatever's easiest for you. We need some gut support so we can stay healthy. So easy, you're going to put 3 or 4 drops of digest in a capsule. I have some coconut oil. Actually, I think it's a mixture of coconut and almond oil. And going to give that a little squirt. Put your cap back on. And then you've got it. Easy peasy. Great digestive support. Now, what are you going to do next? Next thing you're going to do is you've got your Citrus Fresh. So as you know, your Citrus Fresh comes in here and then it is loaded with all of your citrus oils with a little splash of peppermint. This one is super refreshing, so you want to get a glass, pour yourself some water, add a drop of your Citrus Fresh, and then you have a super refreshing drink that is amazing to detox. Super refreshing if you haven't tried your Citrus Fresh. It is so yummy. Okay, so what else can you do? Another amazing thing that you can do with your peppermint oil, super easy, very handy, is you can order these little teeny tiny spray bottles. Amazon has some amazing ones. There's so many different places that you can order supplies. This is a great way to carry a breath freshener. So you want to get your little spray bottle, add a tad bit of water, have a little droplet here, and then 1 drop. That's all it's going to take. 1 drop of peppermint oil. Put your lid back on it, snap it on, and then you've got an amazing breath spray. This is perfect for your purse. Give yourself a little squirt whenever you're feeling a little refreshing throughout the day. Now, how easy was that? Super simple, something that you can carry around in your pocket, in your purse, keep it in your vehicle. Super amazing. Okay, so how many of you have little ones that don't like to sleep at night? A super simple DIY to share with your little ones. They can help you do this, but also with your new members. So you want to get a spray bottle. Once again, Amazon is my best friend. I've ordered these off of Amazon in bulk. And then I add some witch hazel, a little squirt, because as you know, oils and water don't mix. So I just add a little bit of my witch hazel, fill it full of water, and then we're going to put 8 to 10 drops of your lavender in it. You can use so many different oils with this one, but we're going with our premium starter kit, so we're using lavender. If you want to add an additional oil, you can certainly add your frankincense, and that's a great emotional oil that will be good. Give it a little shake, and then at night before you go to bed, when you pull your covers down, you just want to give your pillow a nice little spray. Super relaxing. It's going to help you unwind throughout for the night. That way you can get a great restful night's sleep. How easy was that? Okay, next is Raven. So have you used Raven? I know right now we all need the immune support that we can get, as also respiratory support. So one thing that we love to do in our home is get some coconut oil, mix it up in a blender, and then you get this creamy texture with your coconut oil. You can see it's very creamy and very rich. So then we like just to get our Raven oil, add ourselves 8 to 12 drops. Now, you know, it's all relative, so it's however many that you want to use personally that's going to work. Give it a good little stir. Then you'll put your lid on this, and what you do is you just take a little of it, give it a good rub, and you can rub it on your chest. So this is just amazing chest rub. So many people need a little extra support right now, and this is ideal. And if you want to know a little extra tip, once you put the lid on it, you can stick this in the refrigerator. Once it's in the refrigerator, it'll kind of thicken up a little bit, and then that coolness is going to help even more. That's a fun, easy way to use Raven. And how easy was that to make a chest rub? Another chest rub that you can make, or a muscle rub is what we call it in our house. Same thing. We have our coconut oil and our Panaway. So my son loves to work out. We all have tendency to get a little sore. So once again, we whipped up our coconut oil, and then you're going to add 8 to 10 drops of your Panaway. Another oil that you can add into this, you can add frankincense in with it, or you could also add your copaiba. And then you're going to give it a good little stir. And then you have yourself a super easy, very convenient muscle rub. This one is good for all of your muscles, all of your aches and pains. Anytime you're feeling any discomfort, this is going to be a go-to for you. I know it's something that a lot of people on my team have a tendency to keep on hand. You can put it in smaller containers, put it in your vehicle. You just want to make sure that if you're using a coconut oil that it doesn't get too hot, because it will turn runny, and that's definitely not what you want. Great oil for your muscle support. Next thing, we're going to talk a little bit about frankincense. One of my all-time top oils that we use in our home is frankincense, and I love to say if it's good enough for baby Jesus, it's good enough for everyone. And with that being said, the best DIY that I can tell you with frankincense is to take your top, use it to pry the dropper off. Super easy. You just catch the edge onto your plastic dropper, pull that top off, get your roller filament that comes in your premium starter kit, pop it on there, give it a nice little twist until you hear a click. That means it's good and tight. Now you have the most amazing, relaxing perfume you've ever smelled. It smells amazing. I love to put it behind my ears, also on my temple, very good, and the base of my neck. Super calm, super relaxing, and let me tell you, it is going to raise those frequencies like your frequencies have never been raised before. That's an easy DIY you can actually use with almost any single oil that comes in your premium starter kit. Another favorite oil to put your roller top on, of course, is your Stress Away, your Valor, or even your Peace and Calming. All great oils to use and pop a roller filament on. Now, who needs a little courage, right? I know certainly I can always use a little courage, so we like to make courage in a bottle rollers. So what I have here is just a roller bottle. You can get these anywhere. This one specifically says Young Living. I ordered it during the holidays. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm going to take our Valor. This one is also great for your back or spine health. And I'm going to put a good 8 to 10 drops of oil in it. And then again, I'm going to get my oil, my carrier oil. Young Living also has V6, which is ideal for your roller bottles. Oh, then you're going to fill it up, put your top back on it till you hear a little click, give it a little shake, and then you have yourself a little courage in a bottle. Super easy, and again, you can do these with almost any single oils in your premium starter kit. Super fast too. Lemon, lavender, peppermint, also a great one to use this time of year. Of course, you can mix some Stress Away and some Peace and Calming in there. You can put Valor with your frankincense. You can put Valor with your Stress Away. There's so many different combinations that you have right here in your premium starter kit that you can use to make yourself a roller bottle. Super easy. Okay. Next on our list is some bath salts. So I have just a little bag right here that I've purchased in bulk. I love to give bath salts. Everybody loves some bath salts. And inside here, what I have is a cup of Epsom salt. I have about a 1/4 cup of a pink Himalayan sea salt, and then about a 1/4 cup of baking soda. So once I have all this in here, I have my Peace and Calming, because Lord knows we could all use a little Peace and Calming in our lives. And then you kind of use just what you want. I'm going to do about 6 drops of Peace and Calming. Give it a little zip. Give it a little shake. And then set this on your bathtub before you get ready to take a bath. The longer it sits in this little bag, the more the oil is going to disperse and diffuse throughout the entire bag. I have an oversized bathtub, so I will use this entire bag in one bath. So, super easy. And again, you can use bath salts with so many of these oils. You can use Stress Away. You could use your Valor. You could use your frankincense. You can use your lavender. You could do a combination of them if you want. Super easy DIY. Anybody can do this, and it's usually with products that you have in your home already. Last, but certainly not least, I'm going to talk about Stress Away, because Stress Away is probably one of our most favorite and used oils in our home. So what I have is just a glass jar. It was a mason jar laying around the house. I have a 1/2 cup of sugar. Move some of this out of the way. And then I have a 1/4 cup, and I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of my carrier oil. I like to use almond oil. Of course, coconut oil will work as well. And then you could also put a splash of vitamin E if you have that in there. Super nourishing. We're going to pour this in here. Now I'm going to add 6 to 8 drops of my Stress Away. Give it a nice little stir. And you have yourself a DIY sugar scrub. Now, the best tip that I can give you whenever you're using a sugar scrub is to watch your step, because with all that oil, things can have a tendency to get a little slippery, but no worries. This can exfoliate your skin, nourish your skin with whatever type of carrier oil that you're deciding to use. And then, of course, you're going to get all the amazing benefits of the essential oil that you decide to put in it. I hope that y'all learned something here. I hope that I gave you some new ideas, and I would love to know in the comments below if you would tell us your favorite DIY with your premium starter kit oil. I hope y'all have an amazing rest of our spring launch today. We've loved having you, and we look forward to hearing all of your comments, all of your feedback, and we'll talk to you soon.